Welcome to the Glow Up Guide. We'll be exploring into every detail about self-care, fashion, and self-confidence. Join us on this transformative journey. Step 1. Self-care. We'll explore healthy diets, fitness practices, and skincare routines that increase up your inner glow. Step 2. Release your style potential. Explore how to improve your outfits with accessories, create a wardrobe which reflects your personality, and style like a pro. Step 3. The empowerment is key. Discover techniques to increase your self-confidence, from journaling your journey to practicing daily affirmations. Step 4. Social skill mastery is a game changer. We'll explore how to communicate effectively, connect strategically, and have the public's attention. Are you ready to start your ultimate glow-up journey then? Don't miss the Girl Glow Up Guide, where you'll gradually change your life. Then let's shine together by clicking that subscribe button. Remember that growth instead of perfection is the goal of the journey. Subscribe now and keep checking again for more inspiring content. Always shine until next time.